Offshore Asset Protection Trust offer a strategic means to safeguard assets from legal threats by placing them beyond the jurisdiction of U.S. courts. Choosing the right offshore jurisdiction is key, and you'll want to consider things like the legal environment, political stability, and financial infrastructure. Let's dive into the top offshore trust jurisdictions that you should consider for safeguarding your assets. First, Belize. Belize isn't just about beautiful beaches and islands, it's a hotspot for offshore asset protection. Their laws make it easy to form trust and offer strong protection for assets. Belize makes setting up a trust a breeze. They offer a haven for safeguarding assets from foreign legal entanglements like lawsuits, bankruptcies, or divorce. Next, the Cayman Islands. The Cayman Islands is renowned as one of the world's principal offshore jurisdictions as an international financial center for investment funds. A key benefit of Cayman Islands trust law is the power retained by the settlers, their family members, or their appointees over significant decisions of the trust management. Since asset protection trust must be irrevocable, if the settler retains too much power over the trust and its assets, it risks the trust being invalidated by a court. Still, there are ways for settlers to keep control without risking the trust validity. They can change the trust deed, tell the trustee what to do with the trust property, pick or remove trustees, protectors, or beneficiaries, and limit what trustees can do, among other things. Like other offshore spots, the Cayman Islands doesn't tax income, capital gains, corporate estate, or inheritance. But remember, taxes from your home country still apply. While the Cayman Islands offer flexibility, this can reduce the level of protection you receive. If your main goal is protection from lawsuits, it's usually better to consider one of the other jurisdictions mentioned in this video. Third, you have the Nevis LLC. St. Kitts and Nevis is a great place for setting up a limited liability company to protect your assets. Nevis LLCs benefit from laws that favor defendants over privacy protection and allow flexible management. While not as intricate as an offshore trust, Nevis LLCs add another layer of asset protection, especially when used alongside an offshore trust. However, a standalone LLC doesn't provide nearly as much protection as an offshore trust. Finally, we saved the best for last. Considered one of the safest jurisdictions for offshore asset protection, the Cook Islands boast strong legal defenses. It's famous for not recognizing foreign judgments, making it exceptionally challenging for creditors to access assets held in Cook Islands Trust. With a defendant-friendly legal system, the Cook Islands provides unbeatable security for trust holders. Choosing the best offshore trust jurisdiction depends on your specific needs, control over assets, desired protection level, tax implications, and cost considerations influencing the decision-making process. Consult with an attorney who can provide valuable guidance in navigating offshore trust options and ensuring comprehensive asset protection strategies. Contact our team at Blake Harris Law for a free consultation today.